wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to
Dream Again! Yay!
Kids, can you see what we have here?
Yeah, can you? It's huge.
It's our alphabet block!
Yay!
And we're going to teach you the alphabet today. Simple game. You see all of the different alphabet letters.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go to the front and flip them around. And then maybe you, Olivia, can guess what A stands for, and then I can tell you.
Yeah.
Does that sound like a good game?
That sounds like a great game.
Okay, sounds good. So let me go forward, and I'll meet you in a second, right? Just hold on.
Okay, meet you in 1 second.
Entertain the kids during that time. Bye.
Hi, children.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. Do you guys know your alphabet? Yeah? I bet a lot of you know yours. Yeah. You learn your alphabet so that you can know all the letters, and once you know all the letters, you can learn to read. Whoa, and reading is so cool. It has so many different worlds and books and possibilities. Oh, I really like books. I'm really excited for this game. Do you guys know maybe if you have a book at home that has an alphabet and has different animals for each letter or things like that?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Are you ready to play?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
So, our first letter is an A. Olivia, what do you think A stands for?
A stands for apple.
Yes, you are correct.
Yay!
That was a good one. Okay, next one is B.
Boy.
No, banana. But
Banana!
boy's right. Boy's right, but banana is another word.
Banana's another one. Ooh,
Okay.
neat.
C stands for
Cat.
car.
Car. Oh, they're both three-letter words, though.
Yeah, that's right.
That's cool.
D stands for
Dog.
duck.
Duck. Oh, okay. Okay. No household animals.
No household animal.
Okay.
E stands for
E stands for elephant.
Earth.
Earth. Ooh.
Planet Earth.
Yeah, that's a good one.
That is a good one.
That is a good one.
Okay, F stands for
F stands for funny. Like Noah, you're so funny.
no, fish.
Fish. Oh yeah, fish. That's good.
Okay, should we change? Now it's your turn. Now you do the next round.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
And
coming.
then you come around.
Okay.
Ah, there I am.
And here I
Okay.
Okay,
now
are you ready?
It's my turn to guess the second row of the alphabet. Where were we? Where did we end?
am. Okay. We ended on F.
So the next one is J. G.
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 Okay.
Okay.
G.
G. And
Oh, like a giraffe, maybe?
that's right. But also like
Garden.
grass.
Grass.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one is H, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. H.
H like
Like-
happy.
Actually happy. There's like a little girl with the happy smile on. Yeah. So happy.
Okay.
And then
Next one is I.
I like
Igloo.
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 Yeah.
Igloo.
Wow, you're doing really good.
Yeah.
Wow, you're so good at this.
Okay.
Have you played this game before?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, okay. That's okay.
Okay.
What's the next one?
Next one is J, right?
Yeah, J.
Okay. J like dog.
Oh, this one's a hard one. This one's hard. It's J like...
Jigsaw.
Yes! How did you
is?
get that? Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I just guessed it.
Wow, that was a really hard one and you got it right.
Yay!
Wow. Okay, how about the next one?
The next one would be K.
Yep, K like...
K like kettle.
Nope. Like, maybe you fly it in the sky.
Oh, I know.
Yeah?
A kite.
Yeah, like kite. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And the next one?
The next one is L, like learning. Like I'm learning the alphabet.
Oh, that's really good, but no, like maybe like roar.
Oh, I know, a lion.
Yeah, L like lion.
Like Simba.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time to switch. That's
Yeah,
the
now
whole
it's
rule.
time to switch. Now it's my turn again to flip the alphabet.
Yep. Okay,
Okay,
ready?
I'm coming.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm
Bye.
coming. Bye.
Okay, now it's my turn again.
Okay, your turn.
So next one is M.
N. Oh, moon.
M like the moon, exactly.
Yay, good one.
Next one is N.
N. Hold on. N like knock. Knock, like you knock on a door, knock.
No.
Oh, wait. That's not right though. Sorry, that starts with a different letter.
Yeah, that starts with a K.
Yeah, that's a hard one.
Kids, that was a wrong one from Olivia.
Yep.
Knock starts with a K.
Oops. Oopsie. So N as in no. No.
That's right, but this is a nut.
Oh, a nut. That's a good one.
Okay, so next one is O.
Orange. Orange,
yes,
the color.
An orange.
Yeah.
Okay, the next one is P.
Pet.
No, a panda, just like your favorite animal.
Oh, my favorite animal. I love pandas.
Okay, next one is hard. Next
Okay.
one is a Q.
Quack.
No, that's what a duck does.
Yeah.
Quack, quack.
That was my
But
thought.
this is a queen, just like you're a queen.
Oh, a queen. I am a queen. Yeah, I have a crown sometimes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Next one is R.
Rabbit.
A rooster.
Rooster.
Okay, that was my row.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, that was the third row, so now it's your turn again, okay?
Okay, let's switch.
I'm gonna come.
Okay, I'm coming.
Bye.
Bye.
There I am again.
And here I am again.
Okay, now it's the last row with two special letters that you're just gonna do for ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can't remember where we left off. Sorry.
The last letter was R for rooster.
Oh, or like a rose.
Or like a rose.
Rose is my favorite flower.
Oh, roses are very nice. They smell good, huh?
Yeah. So after R comes, I guess, S.
Yep, S. What's like that?
S like shampoo.
What? I mean, yes, but that's a hard one. No, it's an easier one. It's an easier one.
S like soft.
No, S like
The sun.
the sun. Yeah, the sun.
Okay,
The sun.
yeah, I should have guessed that one.
And then T.
T like oh, I don't know.
Oh, this one's two. Can I tell you?
Oh yeah, you tell me. You help me out on this one.
Tiger tail.
Tiger
It's a
tail.
but it's striped like a tiger.
Oh, like tiger tail.
Yep, tiger tail.
Oh, that's funny.
That's funny.
Okay.
Okay. And next.
You.
Yep, you.
You like unicorn.
Nope, you like umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yeah,
Oh,
umbrella.
that's a good one.
That is a good one.
Okay.
And then next.
V. Oh, that's a hard one.
Yeah, V. Oh yeah, V is hard.
V as in.
Ooh. Yeah, this one's hard.
Volvo. I know that's a car, but that doesn't help.
Want me to try?
Yeah, you help me. Can you give me a hint?
Yeah. You put flowers in it.
Oh, a vase.
Yep. V for vase.
V-A-S-E. Vase.
Yep.
Okay.
Great. And then what's
Now-
next?
Ooh, W.
W.
W as in wild.
Nope. I mean, yes, that's right. But also, my little red.
Little red. I don't know.
I can put stuff in it and drag it around outside. It has 4 wheels.
Oh, wagon.
Yeah, my little red wagon.
Oh, nice. That's a good one.
Yep.
Okay.
He's doing really good, huh, guys? Okay. What's next?
Next one is X.
X. Okay.
Like xylophone.
Yeah. Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Yep. Xylophone.
Like xylophone.
Yeah.
Yay!
Good job.
That's the only X word that I know. Actually, no. X-ray is another one I know.
X-ray.
But xylophone. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Now it gets really hard on these last ones. Maybe you have to help me out. So after X comes Y.
Y. Yep.
Like you.
Yeah. You.
Or yard.
Or yard. Oh, this one's
Or-
different.
Oh, I don't know.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
So in the morning you might eat an egg and it has a
Yolk.
Yep, yolk.
Oh, okay, that's a good one.
Okay, and are you ready for the last one?
Z. Oh, Z must be zebra.
Yep, zebra.
Zebra.
Z's always zebra, huh?
Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah, let's see. Do the ones that are look, the ones that are just the squares have different pictures on the other sides too.
Oh, that's nice.
Cool.
So do you want to come back here?
Yep, I come back there. Okay.
Okay, I'll wait.
All right,
I'll
I'm
wait
gonna come. All right, I'm gonna. Hi.
Oh, there you are.
Yeah.
That was a fun game, wasn't it?
That was a very fun game.
I like playing this alphabet. I learned a lot again.
Yeah, me too. You did really good with your alphabet, Noah.
Yeah, I've been practicing.
Yeah. Wow,
Yeah.
it shows.
Yeah, because last time when you were telling me about the fish and I didn't know anything, I felt really bad. So I thought, oh, I need to learn and practice and train. So I actually have been training with this block. And, well, I thought I did pretty good too. So, yeah.
Yeah, you did really good, Noah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably the best alphabet I've ever seen anyone do.
Yeah.
Anyone.
Cool.
Yeah, even mom and dad.
So kids, remember, practice makes perfect.
Well, or as close to perfect as possible.
Yeah. Just keep on training and practicing and just trying it all out so you can learn as much as you can. You will be happy once you grow older.
Yep, and try again.
Try again.
Yep.
If you're failing, that's good because that means you're really trying hard.
Yeah, and it means you're learning a lot and...
Exactly.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're not even trying new things. You're just doing the same things over and over again.
Exactly. Well, I think I did.
Fun.
Yeah. Well, I think I did a pretty good job, so I think I deserve an ice cream, but maybe you should keep on practicing.
Wait, what? I did pretty good.
You were okay, but I was better.
You were better. How about I get a half ice cream?
Well, why don't you do 10 more minutes of this and then we'll both have ice creams.
Okay, I'll do 10 more minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'm going to go prepare the ice cream for us and you keep on practicing and I'll bring it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So, bye kids. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!